The Real World by Andrew Tate has brought me clients for my AI automation agency. So the Real World is a course, but I'm not telling I did the course and I did all the hard work and followed their outreach strategies or client acquisition strategies to get clients for my business. I am telling they launched a new feature where I got the client without any kind of hard work, and I did not also do any kind of course inside that platform. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how I did it, how I got the client for my business, and I am also going to show you what's inside the course, how you can use it for your business, and everything with along with the proof, with the money wins, how much I earned, and everything. Well, I'm not here to promote this platform. I just want to show you the possibilities and how it helped me and how it got me clients. If it makes sense for you, then you can follow the same. But I don't want to be like a affiliate for this platform. So it's up to you. I'm not here for promotion. So that's the reason why in this video I'm going to show you all the proof. And by the end of the video, I'm going to show you how I got a client with the new job portal that they have launched inside the real world. So let's deep dive. So this is the landing page. Now, if I click the join the real world, I need to pay the $99 per month plan to get inside their course. So in the $99, I gonna get all the 12 business models, the VIP account rankings, 7 connected device, and many more. So I joined. After joining this plan, the Conqueror plan, this is the dashboard that I got. If you look, there are multiple campuses: affiliate marketing, AI automation, health and fitness, content creation, self improvement, crypto, business mastery, e commerce, crypto investing, copywriting, crypto trading, and the AI automation is our main goal because I run an AI automation agency. So I'm going to select the same. Now, if you look at the left hand side, there is a course section, friends, wallet. This is a ranking, the ranking system. Like if you engage with the platform and if you help each other and if you complete course and if you post wins, the money earning wins, you always gonna level up, and with that you also gonna earn perks like identity booster, speed up, direct message, create a clan, and many more. Okay, that's fine. And anyways, let's see what's inside the course, then later we're gonna jump into how we are going to get the clients and all. But before that, let me show you something. There is a leaderboard option. If I click that, this is the AI campus win for the last month. So these are, as you can see, only the previous month's collective wins, and from top 1 to top 25 people. So the top 25 people out of many, like there are like 50,000 or 100K students inside the AI automation agency campus. And out of all of those, the top 25 people has made over in the total of 700K plus dollars in the past 30 days. Now, if you look at the 18th position, which is Kaushik, I made $7,209 last month. Amazing, right? And if I go into my profile and if I go into the hero's journey, so here you can see all the wins that I made. So they got the real world got me a certificate, $600, $750, $1,000, $300. These are all my money wins, $300. I'm not telling that real world has got me all of this. I actually run my agency on my own without anyone's help, without any kind of course. But this has helped me like 20 to 30%. And I'm going to show you how, and also how it brought me client for free. I'm going to show you that too. $300, another $300, $1,000, 40,000 rupees. In rupees, 30,000, 70, some gold earrings worth of 1,20,000, 20,000, 20,000, some small wins, $1,500, email campaigns, another $250, $180, $1,200, and many more. I got so many wins. If I keep scrolling down, I got so many wins. Let's deep dive and watch until the end to figure out how I got a client for free without any kind of outreach or ad strategy or any kind of hardware. So if I go into the course section, they got like 6 sections: the future of wealth creation, building your first AI system, the current AI awareness system, selling the future, installing the current AI awareness cycle, previous AI awareness cycle. So here in the first module, I can't click that and go inside and show you the lessons because I may get banned by their team, the real world team. They are very strict with their copyright. Even I don't know whether this video will be applicable or not by sharing all this inside the course, how it looks like. If it get banned, I can't do anything, but I am just trying my luck. So in the first section, they teach you all the basics like why AI is the future, how you can take advantage, all the basic stuff, the theory stuff. And in the second, building your first AI system, it's an N8 automation where you can get leads from Google Maps and find their email address, something similar to System 3. and they build this n8 system so every person can use it, build it step by step, and get leads, lead list for their agency so they can outreach, maybe cold email outreach, cold call outreach, they can do anything. Next, there is the current AI awareness cycle. So in this module, all they teach is the vibe coding, how you can use AI to build quick apps or websites, softwares. So everything is about vibe coding. They're gonna show how to use bold, lovable, anti-gravity, cloud code, cursor, all the vibe coding tools. So you will have the knowledge about that. And selling the future, here they're going to teach you how you can outreach, how you can do the sales, how you can interact with the clients, how to do cold calls, how to write cold emails and everything. And installing the current AI awareness cycle, this is the advanced version of the vibe coding. So here inside they teach you like how you can integrate the backend for the website softwares, how to integrate the payment systems, SEO optimizations, site maps. So that's what they teach. And the previous AI awareness cycle, if you observe, last 8 months, AI chatbots, AI phone callers was very popular, right? So all those kind of stuff are stored into here. So the right now they think the current AI awareness cycle is all about cloud code and vibe coding. So that's what they are teaching right now. So that's inside the course. Now let's go into the chat. So what's inside here? So after doing the course, if you have any kind of doubts, they have a section called Ask an Expert. So if you have any kind of doubt, no matter it's about the outreach, client acquisition, or any kind of technical doubt, if you drop your questions here, the captains will help you. Like they're gonna solve it for you and they will guide you to the next best step. And there is a general chat, which is the AI automation chat. Here you can talk with the other guys who are on the same mission with you. They're gonna discuss the strategies, doubts, any kind of AI automation discussions, as you can see here. And yeah, like I mentioned, this is the leaderboard before. And if I go into the win section, here you are going to see how people are making with the AI automation services that they are selling it to the businesses. Like I will scroll some, so you will have how people are earning money over here. Pretty solid wins. Just like me, they're earning almost like me. Okay, so these are some of the wins. They keep posting the wins because the real world is a very popular platform and there are more than 100K people inside this one AI automation agency campus. Now, if I go into the announcements, so here the professors gives the announcements of the what maybe the next course. They also do live calls. Like they teach people if there is any new update in the AI agency, like AI services. They schedule a live call. They teach us everything. And there is Pope's speech. Pope is our professor for the AI automation campus. So it's like his diary. He gonna share all the motivational speeches, encourages other people, or any kind of announcements about the real world scenarios. And you can see here there's a step 1 instructions, step 2 instructions, step 3 instructions. You can follow all this. To be honest, I never did all of this. I'm actually also very less active inside this campus now. When I joined it, yeah, I was very active. I did everything. But now I don't use this platform anymore because I'm already making good amount of money. And now their strategies are not useful for me because I'm a very advanced level and I have my own strategies now. You can join my Discord server to discover, and you can also start with my free course. And yeah, you can see like any kind of LLM help or nodemation help is basically about the n8n, the lead finder help, how to find leads and all, or vibe coding help. So they have separate chat for every single technical section too. They got the sales chat if you got any doubts while doing the sales, if you are not able to close a particular client, and if you give all the details, and you can take the advice from the experts here. Cold calling help, the real door-to-door outreach help, advanced help. They have some puzzles, so you can solve this, and there are many more. So the real world is very good for the community purpose where you can connect with the various different kind of people. Not only the public chat, you can if you click any of the profile, you can send them the friend request, and there is a friend section. So here you can talk with the guys privately. So here I have so many chats that I have interacted with so many J's. And they also got a crypto wallet. Now if I go into here, so right now in my wallet I only got $38. Just for the formality sake, I added some money, I topped some money. I don't use it anyways, but it's a great tool. Like their crypto wallet is one of the great tool. Like if your client pays through crypto, you can take it from here. Since it's a wallet, it's a very secure platform. And crypto, why not? Like tax invasion. If you wanna explore about other campuses, maybe if this video hits more than 10,000 views, and if you guys recommend about the other campus videos recommendation, then I will think about creating the video. So right now I am only showing for the AI automation campus. Now, the main part is how I got a client. So I got onto the leaderboard, right? And when you got on the leaderboard, you going to get a marketplace job portal access. So if you look at the market at the bottom, if you click that, here you can find the contracts. So people across the real world can upload jobs over here. So let's see what kind of jobs are other people are posting. Looking for a killer marketer who help me run Google ads and meta ads for my remodeling business. So if a guy he does the job, he is going to get the $500, and they're going to get the $500 directly to the crypto wallet that I have mentioned before. Cool. $500 is a pretty good deal. And same here too. The meta ads conversions, $500. These are $20, which I don't care, which is very low. And here you can see, right, automate you repetitive task with the AI expert billing for COO for our Shopify store, $1,000. Wow, that's a good offer. To be honest, I applied for this. I'm still in the discussion with the guy. Let's see what happens. And there are many more. Now you will have a doubt. Okay, there's a job portal access. Now every person will fight for this job portals like bidding and all. So you are telling that basically it is like a Fiverr and Upwork? No. The people who got on the leaderboard only have the access for the job market. Like anyone can upload the job over there. All the 1 millions of the students inside the real world can upload the jobs, but only people who got on the leaderboard, the top 25 people on that month, can apply for the jobs. So basically there is a very little competition, and you're only going to apply if you are an expert, because they always care about the quality of the work real world. So that's why they implemented this formula. So I got onto the leaderboard, and last month I made over $7,000. So I can bid on this. So if I click view details, and yeah, now I can submit the bid, right? If I click this, I can write my offer, how I can help that guy. Then a chat will unlock. After the unlocking the chat, the guy will talk with you. There is a video call option inside the real world itself. You guys can call, talk, discuss everything. Once the work is done and you did everything, he gonna transfer the wallet money to your wallet. Very simple. Everything is done with the crypto here, and everything is secure, to be honest. Like if I go into the terms of engagement, they they got a TRW escrow protection system on how their money transfer works with a very secure way. And if I go into the operational protocol, so so you can read this, you can pause the video and read every single thing on how this job portal works here. But it's basically the same. Like they bid, they have the discussions. Once it's done, they update the TRW escrow wallet. Then once the work is done, the money will be transferred from the TRW team to your crypto wallet. It's pretty simple. And yeah, now this is everything about the job portal. Now you are wondering how I got the client. Then you're telling Kaushik, so you just applied for this and you did the job for them and you go, and that's what you basically mean by getting clients? No, I don't mean by that. What I did is I posted my job over here. So since only people on leaderboard can bid over here, I know for sure that I can hire experts and I can make the experts outreach for me, for my agency, so they can bring me clients. So that was my ideology, not to just unlock this marketplace and bid on every single job portal and earn the money. I don't want to do that way, because I'm already earning $10,000 every single month with my AI automation agency. Why would I care about this random $500, $1,000 job portals? And plus, that's a job. So I don't care about that. I don't want to work under someone like it's like a freelancing stuff. Blah, I don't like that. So I will show you one of my job that I posted. Let me see where it is. I think I posted it like 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago. Let me see where is that. There are so many jobs. Yeah, you can see here, right? So I posted my job. You can see appointment setup for AI chatbot e-commerce, $50 per call plus 50% recurring commission. Let me show you how what my offer was. So I was offering that you find Shopify store owners with decent traffic, you get them on a call with us, we do the rest. Because my main niche is e-commerce, I provide AI chatbot for e-commerce, and I am the AI chatbot developer in this AI automation space across the world, because no one can create as advanced AI chatbots as I do, as our agency does, our team does. Because if you look into any chatbot out there in any kind of website, most of them are very generic, but our AI chatbot actually provide the value. Like it's not only just a customer support agent, it's also a lead capture, auto appointment bookings, or sales funnels, conversion rates optimization chatbots. So my deal was You outreach and you get the $50 per qualified booking paid on confirmation. And if the deal is closed, you're gonna get the 50% monthly recurring royalty commission. Our plan starts at $600 per month. You earn $300 every month per client. That's a good offer. Of course, yeah, Kaushik, it's insane that you are giving away the 50% recurring commission. That's insane. But if you think I'm here trying to hire experts, and experts don't care about mediocre offers, they want good offers. If there is no good offer, then I can't attract the experts. So that's the reason why I gave this goldmine offer to anyone. And if you are an agency owner and if you are trying to hire appointment setters for your agency to get clients and book sales calls, then you can actually copy my offer because this offer is the great. And this offer, I got so many baits. I talked with so many clients, students over here. Okay, and I explained why clients never cancel and why your commissions never stop. So I shared. You can pause the video and read everything what's inside of my offer. And I also gave them the bonuses. Like after 3 qualified booked calls, you get access to our internal lead magnet. Since my company is System 4 is one of the world's best AI automation system. If you don't know what is that, the video will be in the description about the System 4. Go watch it. You will understand. It's like creating lead magnets on autopilot within like 1 to 2 minutes. And of the 6 qualified bookings, we start sending you the leads, our Shopify stores with emails and everything, with all the email accounts, instantly accounts, and everything. So we provide all the tools if they prove that they are worth for that, and many more. So this was my offer. So basically, 1 qualified booked call with e-com store owner is got to $50. Weekly reporting on outreach volume, reply rate, and booked calls. And if the deal was closed, they're gonna get $300, not one time, every single month. That's good. Now, if I go into this section and if I go into my listed job portal in the marketplace, so many bits over here. Here I got like 6 people, and 6 people are running cold email campaigns for my agency, and they are bringing me clients, the booked sales calls. And I personally hop on the sales call because I love doing sales and I am good at sales. So I closed more than 5 deals for $600 per month. Yeah, of course they got the 50% commission. That's good. But yeah, my goal is to always scale up, hire people more, build a team, as many clients as possible. That's always been my goal. So, and this is how I got clients. I'm not, and plus, I'm not here to promote this platform. I'm genuinely telling what I did, personally did. And my, if you go into my YouTube channel and if you explore every single video about me, everything is so transparent. It's always about what I always kept on doing in my business. Go explore. You will like it. You will like my content. You will also get so much free value on how you can close a client, get a client for free with cold email strategies. Even with the dating apps, I close the clients with my dating app strategies and many more. So go try it. It will be, go explore the videos. It will be very amazing. And this is what I did. So I am sharing that. I know people have so much hate on the internet for the Andrew Tate, but you should also know that Andrew Tate is a billionaire. He earns a lot of money, so he also invests in a lot of stuff in this platform. So that's the reason why he created the job portal along with the crypto wallet. So people can connect with each other, so they can hire the experts, not the mediocre people. If you go into the Upwork and Fire or Fiverr, and if you try to hire people, you can't even guess that this person is an experienced person. Does he know his stuff or not? But if you go into the TRW job portal, for sure you're going to know they are the expert that you are going to hire or the guy you are going to talk with, because they already on the leaderboard, which basically already says they are earning more money, maybe above $5,000 for sure every single month. So they know about the business stuff, how marketing works, how outreach works, how sales calls, outreach, all the sales funnels work, so they can do your job. Okay, so that's for the video. And let me know in the comment section what do you think about this.